Very good. How are you all? Very good. You had your lunch? Tummy full? We are from Unarvugal Dramatics and we have come here to tell you stories. Yay! You like stories? So, the story auntie, Mrs. Jeeva Raghunath, is going to tell you stories. Shall we give her a big welcome? Yeah, so shall we all welcome them once again? Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7. Very good, fantastic, lovely.
Well, friends, storytelling. What's storytelling all about?
Grandmother sitting and saying,
Yeah, it starts like that in school, at home. It never started for me when I was very young. When I had my grandmother who was a
teenage woman with a squeeze.
alright? She would take a big vessel. She would have the rice. She would have the curry. She would have everything. And then one mixture. And make it a nice and colorful boy. And all the grandmas would sit around in a big circle. And she would give it to us. And we would go eat it. And she would start to tear. She would go and say, she would go on and on and on. And we would be eating and eating and listening and eating and listening and eating and listening and eating. And suddenly she would end up because no more rice. All over, he ate of everything. And she would end the story by saying, and the king instantly is silent. And like a little fool, he said, oh, king is sorry, we go. So beautiful, oh, very nice.
We didn't want that and the word study.
But still we loved it. And she would slowly ask them, by the way, did you know what you ate?
I said, no, we don't know. You had to do that.
So my grandma knew what that. He never knew you ate it. Now that's the magic of storytelling. Because you didn't know what was happening around you. Because you were so engrossed in the story. She would take us right into the story. We would become characters. We could see the characters come alive. And so here today, I'm going to be telling you a story. I'm going to be performing a story. And we're going to have our good friends, Shankar and Anu. The one in black is Anuana, and one in gray is Shankarana. He's going to be doing 9 minutes. It's a combination of 2 art forms. The art form of storytelling and the morning. As somebody very rightly put it is silent play. Yes. So when they don't speak.
Well, when they get the wine, then they will get it. All right. Yeah.
Yes.
In a small village, on top of the hill, lived a small family, a father, mother, and a little girl. ஒரு சின்ன மலையில ஒரு அப்பா, ஒரு அம்மா, ஒரு சின்ன பொண்ணு இருந்துச்சு. One day, the father and mother had to go away. ஒரு நாள் அப்பா அம்மா போக வேண்டியது இருந்துச்சான். So they told the daughter, be careful. And the girl said, bye bye. Bye bye. And she locked the door and went straight to the kitchen and started eating. And drank some water under the tub. Just then she heard he knocked the door. The beauty opened the door. Slowly she opened the door. Oh
ஆமா அத வந்தத நான் தான் நூறாமா வந்திருக்கேன். ஓப்பன் த டோர் வெளியில கதவை திறந்தாலும் கதவை திறந்து பயந்து போனாலும் நான் இன்னைக்கு ராத்திரி வந்து உயரமெல்லாம் முடிச்சு I'm going to crush your bones and make you. அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு லிங்குவாமா மலையை பற்றி இறங்கிச்சான்.